All right, hey, y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. And if you don't know, you gonna know today. Hey, how you doing? Tell mom and them I say, hey, how y'all doing, girl? Hey, y'all, hey, TT now. Anyway, check it out. I have an engagement I have to be to in the next 30 minutes. So I got to hurry up and do some things with my little fingers. Because, girl, you can be out in these streets thinking you looking all fly and cute and get all your gear on. But your nails up here telling you a whole different lie. Okay, so I need to get right. All right. But I got to give thanks to JOFAY Fashion for sending these things over to me to try. Because, baby, right now, I need them in my life. I need them in my life. Girl, so today I'll be trying me some pre-designed press-on nails. Something I have never done before. And I am so very excited about this here. Because, like I say, girlfriend has to get up out of here, y'all. So please work with me. But I'm trying to figure out what design I'm going to wear today. But look at these beautiful colors they have sent me, child. Look at that. Look at that. I love these. I think I might have to rock these. I don't know, girl, because I don't know. But I'm excited. Look at these. These got the little flames on them, girl. Oh. And these got these. Okay, these are safe. These are very, very safe. These are for like a wedding. These be good for a wedding. Okay, these here is a little on the risky side, but I like them. I really like them. I picked them out, actually. They didn't just randomly send it. Girl, they got a whole heap of these things over there on their site, too. So I was just like, oh, okay. Yeah, these are cute, too. These are cute, but I'm not wearing no orange. So I think I'm going to go in, girl. Let me see. Let me see. I think I'm going to go in. I'm going to try these here. Okay? Because this here, I think, yeah, this would be safe with the outfit that I'm wearing. Oh, look at all these they give you. They give the instructions on the back, how you have to apply them. Okay. My nails ain't about to be lying on me, girl. Oh, look what they give you, girl. They give you some wipes. They give you some wipes and a little buffer thing. A little pick thing and some glue here. That's cute. Alright, girl, let me go ahead and get my... Oh, okay, they give you these little sticker things too as well. Just in case you don't want to put the glue on them, you can use these here if you want to pop them straight on off. But if you can tell, girl, I need something done to these things right away. So let me go ahead and get my little nail tips all cleaned up. And we're going to go ahead and get started. We gas to. We gas to, girl. Hold on. I'm loving all of these nail tips. So I'm just, So I'm going to go in with some acetone. Clean my nails up. They're a little rugged, girl. They're a little rugged. I got ridges right here from sets, you know. I'm so excited, y'all. This is my first time trying pre-designed press-on nails. I am super excited about this, okay? I mean, because I make my own press-on nails, but girl, ain't nobody got time for them today. I just don't have the time to be trying to make any of them today. Or even so much as clean the glue out of them to try and... I just don't have the time, girl. Alright, I'm going to go in. I'm going to spray my nails down with this here antibacterial cleaning spray. Girl, I keep this on file. Keeps me some of that on file. That's what's up. Girl, I'm trying to hurry up. I gotta go. Alright, girl. So look, we're going to take this here stick. And what we're going to do is... Yeah, I'm trying not to hurry up, but I'm telling you, I am so pressed for time. And these are, look at that, pressed for time. Working with press-ons. And, no, I ain't got it together. Not today with that. Not today with that one, baby. Alright, let me go ahead and size my little nail tips up. And see which ones fits and which ones don't. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, this is so perfect. Girl, this is perfect. That's my thumb. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. That's my middle finger. Okay, that's my first finger there. These are perfect. Okay, let me see what I got here for my ring finger here. Girl, look how many nail tips they give you. Look. Look at all these nail tips. And they real thick. Girl, I am super excited. Now, the thing about this is, girl, if they don't fit your nails, if they too big, just file them down just a little bit. Just file them down just a little bit. Alright, JOFAY Fashion. Girl, these are so cute. So, yeah, I'm not going to use these because I just don't have the time to be playing today. Because my nail tips has to stay on, okay? I'm going to go in and clean them up just a little bit around here. Go back again in with my alcohol pad. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and apply these little jokers to the nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is, let me open up my glue. Open the glue. I'm going to go in, I'm going to buff the shine off each nail tip just so they can adhere to the nails a little better. I'm going to go in and rough this up just a tad bit, just so they can adhere to the nails a little better, okay? Try and be careful. These are very thick nail tips, y'all. These are very thick. Nice. I like that. They're sturdy. I'm going to go in with a dab of glue right here. Just a dab. I'm going to go in, I'm going to press this baby down. See how I push that down in my cuticle like that? And then lay her down like that. Alright, there she goes. Isn't it cute? Oh, that's so pretty. All right, you can go in and shape them up with this file, but personally I like the shape that they're already in, so I'm gonna leave these just as they are, and I am loving them. All right, let me go ahead and apply the next hand here. All right, y'all, here's the nails all applied to the face. Girl, what a difference a whole new set makes. Watch out there now. Anyway, girl, I'm outside today. Again, I want to thank JOFAY Fashion for sponsoring this video. Y'all, I will leave all the information down in the description bar below. Go over there. I advise you to go over there and check them out. They're very sturdy, and I know they're going to last me a while, girl. So, again, I'm outside today. I'll see y'all in a minute. And we out.